Here's a little demo of the RSL10 sending data to the cloud. So the RSL10's here. It's connected via Bluetooth to my phone. You can see messages scrolling by. They're being sent to Cloud MQTT, and here are those same messages. So what I'm doing here is I'm also sending them to this dashboard. So you can see here is the temperature live from that sensor. And I'm also running a different experiment here where I could use the light sensor to determine if I'm welding or not. So the object here is that I could have this mounted to my welding helmet, and its light sensor could detect the arc flash, and if it's above a threshold, then this will go to a different color to signify that no one should enter. So what I'll do is, you could see both in the same frame, and I'll turn the flashlight on, and if I shine the flashlight to signify a weld flash, you can see it changes. So that's, see, it's not in use, safe to enter, and with the light on, welder is in use, use caution. And that's pretty immediate. So if you could see both again, just looking at colors. So yeah, pretty amazing that this could happen so fast. Bluetooth MQTT to the internet on this dashboard. Very nice.